Assalamualaikum students, one of the most important effect, that is inductive effect, we will discuss today, and it's only the electronic effect that results in the polarization of those bonds where the polarization is not possible. This can be explained with the help of an example, like we have ethyl chloride. Okay. As you know that chlorine is more electronegative as compared to the carbon, therefore it will carry the negative charge, and it will carry the positive charge. And due to high electron density, it will traverse this electron density towards itself, or you can say that it can be shown with the help of this arrow. Okay. Then the electron density of this carbon will get decreased or lowered. So, in order to stabilize the electron density, this carbon atom will attract these electron pair towards itself, and what would happen at that case, small positive charge over this carbon atom will also present. Or if let me draw its orbital picture, little orbital picture. It is chloride ion, and it is traversing the electron density. This lobe is more broadened towards the chlorine, and here is CH2 having the positive charge, and similarly little bit lobe shape over here, and it's because there is not an electronegative difference between these two carbon atom. However, when the electron density of this carbon atom will get low, then it will attract the electrons density towards it from the nearby carbon atom. So, a small positive charge over this carbon atom will be present. Not in this, only in this compound, it will be act in many other compounds like chlorobenzene and fluorobenzene. In all of these compounds, it's an electronic effect that moves only because of difference of electronegativity of the attached or the bonded atoms together. We have another example like ethyl alcohol, and in ethyl alcohol it would be the same, because oxygen is electronegative atom, it will traverse the electron density towards it and re-entering this particular carbon atom as partial positive charge and little bit partial positive charge over this carbon atom, because in order to satisfy its electron density, it will attract the electrons that is being shared between these two carbon atom. So, it is simple inductive effect, that is basically the electronic effect, and it results the polarization, mean induction of polarity or introducing of polarity within a compound. So, this is the induction of polarization within a compound, that is because of the presence of electronegative center within a compound. I hope this is clear to all of you, and this video will help to clarify the inductive effect to all of you. Thank you.